Hello guys, welcome back to the Dev Mrs. YouTube channel. So this is the second video in my CockroachDB database setup and usage guide. So in this video, I'm just going to be focusing on showing you guys how you can create an account on the Cockroach Labs platform. So if you are following if you watch the previous video, this should be where you are. So for you to be able to create an account, all you just have to do is click on sign in right here. Don't worry, I'll leave a link down to this page in the description. So when you click on sign in, it's going to take you. Okay, it's taking me here because I've already created an account before. Let me log out from this. I want to show you guys how to create a new account. So let's say, for example, okay, let me go to sign up. So as you can see, there are different methods of authentication on Cockroach Labs. So we have the sign up with Google, sign up with Microsoft, sign up with GitHub, or sign up with email. So let me do sign up with email. If you click on sign up with email, it will ask you for your email address. For example, if you click on sign up with GitHub, it will try and authenticate you using your GitHub account. So I've already signed up with GitHub, so let me sign up with my email now just to show you guys the process of how it works. So let me say um let me use just use this password, agree to the terms, conditions, get started. Okay, let me perform this captcha. Alright, you can see verification email will be sent to the email address which you specified, and then when you click on it, that will verify your email address, and will from there it will guide you through the process of authentication. It shouldn't be that difficult. It shouldn't be that difficult, so I won't waste that much time on it. Like I said, I've already created an account. I don't really want to create another account on this platform because I've already created one. So let me go back and log in. Let me just show you what the platform looks like. So I will log in with my GitHub. I created an account with my GitHub, so I will log in with it right now. As you can see, when you log in with GitHub, it will bring you to this page right here. So on this my account right now, I've already created an organization. So you can see Dev Masters. When you click on that verification email and you verify the email address, then you just follow the steps. Go to the website and just follow the steps. You create an account. They will ask you to add a name for your organization. Then you add the name. Like the process is basic, is very simple and easy to follow. So that's why I won't waste too much time on that. So like I said, when you log in successfully, after your account has been verified and you log in successfully, you'll be brought to this page right here. So this is where you can create a new cluster, and this new cluster is what will contain your database. This place here is for billing, where to show you the charges for your database. And as you can see, mine is 0 because I have nothing running right now. And we have information here. You can change your organization name. Here's your organization ID and all the rest. This one is authentication. No mistaken. Yes. Okay. So that's just all. This is just for you to know what the database looks like how you can create an account on it. So in the next video now, I'm going to show you guys the step-by-step process for you to create a free Cockroach DB database on this Cockroach Labs platform. So I will see you guys in the next video.